guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ghost the Freelancer. This is our fourth recording for today. Tell me about that. Anyways, this hit is new and I found it both in OF and CW, and this is called Do the Prices Match. There is no guideline for this, but it is really easy to work on. Uh, all you have to do is to compare the price in the two images listed here. Unfortunately, it does not load, so you need to open it up on a new tab, just like so. Hey, what happened there? But anyways, let's work on this one. So the product is Nong Shim Ramyum Spicy Ramen. For this one, product is not available. Let's try it. Cannot judge. There is no option here for cannot judge. All right, let's just agree to it. Anyways, it's a bit confusing. Some of the buttons are not available, especially if you read the error message. This is the training. If we do well, we'll go ahead and jump into quali. So unfortunately, that one didn't load. So let me close this out and open it on a new tab. What's going on? All right, I'm not sure. The hit seems to be broken. Anyways, allied precision. For this one, this should be unable to judge. I'm not sure which button to option here to click though. I think image capture issue. Okay, image capture issue again. Okay, no hits available. We'll move on to quali. That was fast. Uh, qualified 12 hits to complete. Okay, this one should be easy. Image capture issue. Moving on to the next capture issue again. Oh, not available. What'll be not available here? Okay, product not available. Okay, it's sold out here. I'm sorry. I was looking at the error message here, but one mistake out of 12. So the other page does not load. Hopefully it does. So ShareCon for pack Christmas. Uh, product is not available here. Let's see. Yep. And for this one, All Sport Eliminator. All Sport Eliminator, Professional Soccer. The product is 17.99. They do match. Uh, product match. Okay, hold on. Price match. They have two different prices. Let's give this one a shot. 17.99 for both. Let's see how it goes. Yep, we got it right. Moving on to the next is Westinghouse W Gen 12. It's a product mismatch, guys. Please input the price. Uh, Come on now. Which price do I have to put in here? 3,297.10. Then here, 3,297.10. Hold on. This one, oh, they do match 15 watts. So it's a product match. Yep, we got it right. Oh, thankfully I noticed it. I have really bad eyes. So for this, there's a problem with the page on the right. So this is the page on the left. Shady Lady Printer Pajamas. Let's see how it goes here. Uh, the page is frozen. It's freezing. Okay, print pajamas. They look the same. Uh, Now this is a challenge because they have this one is in peso. Hold on, price match. But the problem here is the price, 68.00. I'm not sure if this is going to be right. Cannot judge. Cannot judge maybe because of the price on this screen, which is in peso. This one is in USD. Let's agree to it. Two mistakes out of 12. Uh, Please stand by while we are checking your browser. Let's open it on a new tab. DNS error. I am human. Boat. Bus. I hate this stupid thing. Bus again. Redirecting. Now it is roughneck two-way rotary hand pump. Rock neck 119 USD here. It's a product match. Let's see the price if they do match. Yeah, they do match. So price match. Oh, price match. Cannot judge why. Uh, okay, three mistakes, guys. So please do get a screenshot of that. I'm still hoping we are going to pass this. Now here, All American Christmas, 18.70. Uh, this one has no price. Buying options. 18.70. This one is 14.99. Price mismatch. Hardcover. Hold on, let's look at this product here. Product type, subject, Christian books and Bibles. All right, I'm gonna go with this. Yep, we got it right. Next one is W Live dresser with five drawers for bedroom. This one is price mismatch. Oh, hold on a sec. Currently not available, so product is not available. Yep. iPad. Okay, image capture issue there. Not available. I'm sorry. Three mistakes, guys. So it's confusing, but I hope you are getting the hang of it and the thought process. So Lantax, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I'm not a real American. Uh, so price match. That's 44.97 for both. Let's see. Yep, we got it right. Well, we pass it. Fortunately, we did. So again, the name of the hit is Do the Price Match English version. Click OK. Let's go back to the marketplace. It pays 1 cent, not that much, but again, during the dry season, you can work on this one. Thank you for watching. For more video tutorials, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell to get notified every time we upload a new video. Our Facebook group is ClickWorker Philippines and Ghostly Hitters. Have a good day and see you on the next video. Bye.